Is it time to buy or sell Rapport Therapeutics common stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Rapport Therapeutics common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 5th of September, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of September, 2025, our system has ranked Rapport Therapeutics common stock as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.56. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential 34.71% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 34.71% to 68.18%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -37.75%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -94.88% to -17.62% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 73 and 1,183 cents. Our latest daily update for Rapport Therapeutics Incorporated common stock includes the headline, High Volatility in Rapport Therapeutics Incorporated common stock price on Friday, which ended trading at $14.36. The Rapport Therapeutics Incorporated common stock price fell by 6.45% on the last day, Friday, the 5th of September, 2025, from $15.35 to $14.36. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 12.32%, ranging from a day low of $14.25 to a day high of $16. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 3.82% for this period. Volume increased on the last day by 113,000 shares. Although prices were falling, this may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the risk will increase slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 276,000 shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3,960,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $29.74, while the lowest price was $6.43. Currently, the price is 51.71% or $15.38, below the 52-week high of $29.74, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Rapport Therapeutics is poised to announce the Topline Phase 2A results for RAPP 219, a treatment for drug-resistant focal onset seizures, on Monday, the 8th of September, 2025, following a fully enrolled study. The company is entering this readout with approximately $260 million in cash, a sum they anticipate will allow them to sustain operations through the end of 2026. Meanwhile, a separate Phase 2 program focusing on bipolar mania is already in progress, with top-line data expected in the first half of 2027. In the short term, the announcement on September 8th serves as a binary catalyst. A positive outcome could lead to a significant increase in stock value, drawing attention from analysts, potential partnerships, and heightened trading volume. Conversely, a negative or inconclusive result would likely lead to a sharp decline in stock price and raise the likelihood of immediate fundraising or dilution, despite the current cash reserves. Looking further ahead, a successful RAPP 219 program would significantly reduce the risk associated with Rapport's pipeline, enhance opportunities for licensing or mergers and acquisitions, and support an increase in company valuation. In contrast, a failure would necessitate a reassessment of the company's worth based on its remaining programs and overall platform prospects. Therefore, expect elevated volatility and trading volume surrounding this announcement. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 2nd of July, 2024, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned RAPP a buy rating with an initialize action On the same day, Jefferies also rated RAPP with a buy grade and an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rapport Therapeutics common stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rapport Therapeutics common stock. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development of the stock. The common stock of Rapport Therapeutics Inc. currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more negative outlook. On upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $15.79 and $15.14. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, August 29, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 18.55%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 5 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 53 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rapport Therapeutics common stock. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $12.66 and $12.04. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this case, Rapport Therapeutics Inc. common stock finds support just below today's level at $12.66. Should this level be broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $12.04 and $11.43. This stock generally exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with favorable trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.76 between its high and low, which represents 12.32%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 11.97%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Rapport Therapeutics common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 81 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rapport Therapeutics common stock. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rapport Therapeutics common stock is at $16.01. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a strategic level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rapport Therapeutics common stock encounters its first support level at $12.66. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rapport Therapeutics common stock from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of August, 2025, Brett David executed an insider sale of 8,300 shares of common stock. On the 15th of August, 2025, Brett David also executed an insider sale of 200 shares of common stock. On the 15th of July, 2025, Brett David conducted another insider sale of 8,500 shares of common stock. On the 17th of June, 2025, Sanchez Ramiro made an insider purchase of 10,925 shares of stock option, which is the right to buy. On the 17th of June, 2025, Young Wendy B also made an insider purchase of 10,925 shares of stock option. Based on the 34 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 89.535. In total, insiders purchased 1,491,446 shares and sold 51,000 shares in these last 34 trades. We hold a negative outlook for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Rapport Therapeutics Incorporated common stock a good buy? The stock of Rapport Therapeutics Incorporated shows several negative indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that it will perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on the stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold to a sell recommendation. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 8th of September, we expect Rapport Therapeutics Incorporated common stock to open higher by approximately 50 cents and begin trading at $14.87. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.